I got tired of becoming exit liquidity, so I flipped sides and this phantom wallet has $6 million inside of it. No hype, no luck, just launching that prince. Now, the reason why I switched from trading to launching is because every single time I jumped into a new meme coin, which I thought I'd found the next moonshot, well, instead, I got completely rugged, dumped on, and drained. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario happened to you at least once in your life. You buy in, and after a couple more seconds, the fucking dev fucking rugs everybody and he walks away with everything and you are left holding nothing except pennies. Bro, it's so fucking frustrating, but that's exactly when I learned the winners do not trade coins. They actually create them. Because when you create your own coin, you're the one orchestrating the entire launch. You're the one people FOMO into. You make the chart, you own the narrative, and right now, with Solana exploding and Bitcoin climbing, this is the perfect moment to start launching, bro. Dude, you can turn $0 into 1k and just do it over and over again. Obviously for educational purposes only, it's all fake. Everything here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not giving financial advice, I'm just showing what works for me. Cap! Now I know you might be thinking, do I just go to Pump.Fun and launch my meme coin here? Well, that's completely wrong, because Pump.Fun is chaos right now. Too many new coins and too much noise. It's just oversaturated. Now most coins never even reach the market before they die. That's because, bro, there's just too many coins launching every single second and you don't even control your own liquidity pool. So for example, if I launch a meme coin on Pump.Fun and around 20 people buy my coin, well, I cannot cash out my profits because I don't control the liquidity pool. It's Pump.Fun that does, not you. That's exactly why I despise this website, and I completely switched to create tokens.io because on this website it's completely different. Your coin launches straight to Raydium, it gets immediately graduated, which means it will skip the bonding curve and it will be immediately migrated and buyers can trade it right away. There's no queues, there's no waiting, and there's no middleman. You are in full control from start to finish. Bro, this website is why everyone is coming here. Now here's the play on create tokens.io. You have two different methods to make your meme coin. The first method is to start from scratch. So first of all, obviously, make sure to choose a narrative for your meme coin. I would highly recommend to go on any social media platform. I'm gonna go on X and try to look for something trending. You could also go on Google and type in news and make a coin on the latest articles, but I'm gonna go on X and just look for something decent, right? Like for example, the stock market just got liquidated. What else? Yeah, Brez, Orangey, and someone else are making, I don't know, bro, I don't know what's happening. You know, just anything, right? So once you have a good narrative, yeah, Donald Trump right here. But yeah, once you have a good narrative, come back to the website, right? Create a name, create a symbol, take a screenshot for your meme coin logo right here, and just like that, you are done for your custom creation coin. But the second method, bro, it's my favorite one, and it's the shortcut I use the most because it makes the most money, and that's by fucking copying coins. It's a cheat code. Now these coins are already trending on Pump.Fun, every single one of them on this list. You just have to copy one, and it will launch instantly to Raydium, which will skip the bonding curve. And because the hype and traffic are already there, you'll see instant buyers and real momentum for your meme coin, bro. I would highly recommend to copy coins. It's a cheat code, you guys will see. Okay, enough talk. Let's launch this coin right now, and you guys will see how fast the whole process really moves. And also, it's gonna be a step-by-step guide for you guys if you guys want to try this method out. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, then click on the refresh this button because all the new coins are going to pop up, and I'm going to copy the Garu coin. It has an X. Let's see if it's a community or yes sir. Okay, they posted CA. Okay, it's good. Okay, now click on create coin. It has it as by 7 seconds ago, and then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Okay, every single person is gonna get this block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in like 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this is where the magic happens. We're adding liquidity into your coin, which will instantly goes live onto Raydium, and buyers can jump in right away. It's the fucking method because Pump.Fun doesn't offer you guys to create the liquidity pool, but on this website you have the option to create it right here. Now for the amount token A, just click on the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. Obviously you are seeding your own coin, you are not losing any SOL. It's just locked in temporarily to kickstart the chart. Now the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, it will all come back to your wallet plus all the profits, so do not worry about anything. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit, you know, than the minimum, just to be safe. And also make sure you have enough in your wallet. Then click on create pool. After that, you should be able to click on confirm. Now when that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the Garu coin is on live. Our PNL is at $0. But if you click on the refresh button to check your all-time profits, you guys can see that we are now up $200 in USD, by the way, because people are now finding our coin on the blockchain and they are buying in. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or if you want to go on another trading platform, you can simply copy paste the token address into any trading platform. I'm gonna go on Photon, obviously, and after that go on full screen and let's wait for the buys. Okay, now yeah, we're already up a couple $100. Oh my god, it's fucking volatile. So much stuff is happening right now. We're getting buys left and right, as you guys can see. $50. Oh my god, 1.6k market cap. It has a fucking pump, bro. Someone just dumped $60, 1k liquidity, a bunch of volume. Come on, more transactions, bro. I want more money. Oh my god, we are getting dumped. Do not worry about it, because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, so it is going to recover and it might even go viral, bro. This is why I love creating meme coins, because you can just do this over and over again. Even though you make a couple $100, you can just rinse and repeat. Come on, it has to pump. $35 sell, $50. Let's go. Come on, one more big fucking buy right here in 3, 2, 1. No, what? $2, bro. Who just bought for $2? Okay, $20. That's not bad. Okay, I can deal with that. Oh, we just got dumped, bro. Come on. I just want the one bit. Oh, we're getting so many buys. I'm going to dump the coin right now. Okay, guys, the coin just fucking pumped. We are at the 3.4k market cap, 1.6k liquidity. Fucking life is good, okay? We are making bank. Now come back to create tokens.io when you want to make some money. And after that, wait, why am I on full screen? Anyways, click on refresh. And boom, we are up $1.75 thousand with a $3,000 market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Let's see what happens. And now, as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! Let's go! We just made generational wealth. If I open the wallet to see exactly how much we made, boom, you guys can see that we just received 1.8k in SOL straight inside the wallet. And it's real, bro. I do not fake my videos. It's all real. So, bro, tap in, lock in, bro. Let's fucking go.